Hello everyone, you are welcome. My name is Anadio Boy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a single page in Jumia that can make you millions of naira. Yes, just a single page in Jumia that's going to make you millions of naira. This is not a gainsaying. This is something that I experiment. I have gone through the page and I've seen the great opportunity in that page. All you have to do is you utilize it effectively. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to give you a full details of a page, how to promote the page, and everything that's entailed in the page, so that you can begin to make money on Jumia, a tangible amount of money within a very short period of time. I'll show you the method and everything needed. So what are these video objectives? In this video, you are going to learn how to make money on Jumia. I'm going to show you some resources that have been put in place. I'm going to show you some mediums that have been put in place, whereby all you have to do is just to go there and get enough knowledge on how to make money on Jumia. These are resources that have been made available by me. So I'm going to show you that. And in this video, I'm also going to show you the page that can make you millions on Jumia. This, as I've said earlier, this is not against it. I'm not trying to sugarcoat you. I'm going to show you everything and you will get impressed, definitely. And in this video, I'm also going to show you how to compare price. That is, how to pick price from Jumia and compare it with the marketplaces. Like going to market and see how people sell this on market. Then you now decide to from there you can be able to know the price. You're going to price. They're going to like price the price tag you place on the product. Okay. Then in this video, I'm also going to show you the easiest way to sell your product. Yes, the easiest way to sell your product, the product you have gotten on Jumia, the easiest way to sell it using social media and do social media marketing. I'm going to show you everything in this video. Okay, and it's also very important for you to know that this video is very time sensitive. This means that you have to act fast. You have to act fast. Don't say that I will do it tomorrow. And definitely you can share it with your friend. You can share this video with your friend, because it's something that, you know, when we come together, we make money together. So without wasting most of our time, let's get into the video. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, before we get started, I just want to do me a favor. Kindly go to my YouTube channel, this video you are watching, and click on the red button and subscribe. It's just that majority people that come to this channel, they do not subscribe, and this is not too encouraging. So immediately you get value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Then you can share with your friend. This motivates me more to go outside there to search for suitable videos that will enable you to be more productive in your business and can bring good amount of money to you, because I create video on how you can make money online and everything that surrounds business and money. So let's get into it without wasting much of our time. As I've said earlier, this page I'm going to show you on Jumia is this page. So let me just go back a bit. Actually, I'll begin to do some little work on that. So now this is the page here. Page is loaded. This is a single page. This page is going to make you millions on Jumia. And one pretty thing about this page is that everything within this page, they are all less than 5,000. As you can see, they are between 100 naira to 4,999 naira. Means they are less than 5,000 naira. And in the reward, the price for all these products are very high. For example, let me show you this. Like this Oriamo Combat 10,000 mAh ultra slim fast charging power bank. You can see that it has a very high review. It means that many people are buying this product and they are testifying. Yes, buying product and they are testifying. So when I come to the outside world, like for example, I use Gigi for my experiment, and this product is sold for on Gigi between 6,000 naira to 10,000 naira. But you can actually get this product on Jumia for just 4,800. Is that not amazing? So this means that you can actually begin to sell this product. Like if I'm to sell this product, I'm going to sell it between the rate of 7,000 naira to 10,000 naira. This being, or I'll say between the rate of 7,500 actually to 10,000 naira. It depends on how you can market it. And all I have to do is just take this product, go to my YouTube channel. Go to my WhatsApp. Then put it on my WhatsApp status, put the price. I'll say that it's a pre-order stuff. So it means that they have to pay me before they get it. You know, so I have to start with that. People that I know, then within a short period of time, see people begin to come and begin to buy from me. As I said earlier, this thing is very time sensitive, so it's going to expire from now to August 29. So you have to act very fast. Another hot product you can begin to sell, like this necklace, this best friend necklace that is for 7,740 naira. Actually, it's for 1,500 naira. You can just pick it, decide the price that you want to sell it by yourself, and put more money and begin to sell it. Now, there are 3 ways you can make money on Jumia. As I said, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money on Jumia. I've actually created an in-depth video on those 3 ways. So me going over it again, just go to link. I don't want the video to be extra long. It doesn't lead to me just repeating and repeat what I've said before. So this is the video here. So I explain in this video how you can make money on Jumia without investment, and I explain the 3 ways you can make money. So presently what is loading now is how you can actually sell on Jumia. At the back end of Jumia, how you can sell, and everything you put on Jumia is going to appear on the front page like this. So I've explained everything on this in this video. Also in this video, this one that I'm showing that is playing now, I've also explained how you can sell, how you can begin to make money using JForce, Jumia affiliate and seller center. So I've explained everything. Just go to this video. I'm going to make the link available. Go to this video and watch it, and I'll show you that you'll be glad. Alright, so back to this place. Now look at this mirror, for example, this protective computer screen glasses. So many people need this mirror. All you have to do is just to, okay, let me open the price. Probably I open it and the price just 1,399, means I 1,400 naira, but it's actually sold for 5,000 naira. So you can actually utilize this and be to sell it for people any amount you want, probably around I don't know, around like 3,000 naira, 4,000 naira. Even you can sell it for 5,000 naira. All you have to do is to sell to the right people. Just start from the people that you know on your WhatsApp status. One thing about it is that when they begin to buy from you within a short period of time, they will tell other people. You can actually create a page on your Facebook. So in this video also, I've explained everything you need to do. Just this 15-minute video, I've explained everything. So what you have to do is just to come to this video and watch it. Then utilize the knowledge I've shown you in that video and begin to make money. So you can create a WhatsApp group and call it anything. You can call it any good name. You can even, for example, you can put Gmail, don't put Gmail. It just depends the way you want to sell your product. Like for example, if I want to, okay, let's come to the reward and see the amount they sell this product. Let me copy this and come to marketplace, like on this GG marketplace, and see the amount this is being sold on GG marketplace. Let's see. Okay, this is not available. Let me just okay, let me just cancel this and see if it is available on If it's not available on GG, so it even make it better for you, because all you have to do is just to okay, let me cut it again and see if it's not available. Okay, what I'm getting is not what I want. So in the nutshell, this product is selling fast. You can see that's 428, and you can also come down and see the review that people saying about it. Okay, the review is still loading. What are people saying about it? There are so many things you can say. I've actually been using this platform to sell, and you can see what they said there, that this glass work, but it's too big for his tiny face or a tiny face. But this one I said that it is very cool. I like it, and it's lightweight. So people are actually, so you can begin to sell this product. You see that people are actually complaining that, you know, people usually nowadays go on social media, computer for so long, so they need this product. All you have to do is just to market it on Facebook. Use Facebook Marketplace, and to use Facebook Marketplace, I've also created a video on how you can use Facebook Marketplace in order to market your product and begin to sell very, very fast. I must tell you that this is very easiest way to sell on Facebook. So in this video here, this is the video here. This video here where I explain how you can begin to sell on Facebook Marketplace. You can just come there and watch the video, and you will see it in a very short period of time. People begin to contact you and begin to sell. So another product you can sell from this page, this page here. Although this page is very big, I like the page, is very big. It gives you more opportunity. So let's go down a little bit and see other products that it is hot in the market. Okay, alright, so let this thing load, finish, so that we can see the images of those pictures. For example, okay, I saw one. Look at this pick lip. Some people want to have pick lips. I don't know. You can really sell this pick lip for 3,000 naira. People sell it for 3,000 naira. Just buy it from Jumia for 950 and sell it for 3,000 naira. But if you don't have money right now, all you have to do is just to put it on your Facebook status, put it and make it a pre-order. So maybe people have to order for it in advance, or better still, make it to be payment on delivery, payment before delivery. Where if you have money to be able to sell fast, if you have money, for example, you have like 5,000 naira, you can begin to buy it from Jumia, right? And they bring it to you. Of course, they'll collect delivery free, but if you're in Lagos, delivery fee is going to be very, very minimum. So you can begin to sell for people using your platform, and using a short period of time, you begin to make money, and you will testify. Look at this beers. You know, some people want to go beer. This beer is just for 340 naira, but our price is for 1,275 naira. Like me, they want to sell this beer, and I can sell it for 2,500 naira. You know, and you're going to make money. So this thing here, everything is less than 500 naira, and it's going to make you real money. Look at this clipper. This clipper, if you go to barber place to buy this clipper with the bag, everything, they'll sell it for nothing less than 10,000 8,000 naira. You can begin to sell your own for 8,000 naira. Just order it on Jumia, they give it to you, you package it, because if you order it directly to the person, you put the person's address directly, Jumia will deliver for the person and give the person receipts. So what you have to do is actually get the order yourself, then take away everything that belongs to Jumia, the packaging on Jumia, take it away and repackage it in your own way and and deliver it to the person. It's very easy like that. So in fact, I can say that the price is 8,000 naira and the person will have to pay for the way bill. So for example, like if I want to make it a little less, like I said that okay, it's 7,000 naira, so you pay for way bill by yourself, just to make things easier for me. And look at this price. In fact, this Bluetooth, I've sold it a lot, and I've made enough money, and it is sold for just 3,000. Approximately 4,000 naira. But in the real world, okay, let me show you something. Let's compare the price. Even we have waste streamer, we have so many things you can begin to sell right away. So let's compare the price of this and let's see if it's available on Jiji. If it's not available on Jiji, it will make work easier for you because it has a large amount of reviews. For you to know the best product, just come to reviews and you see that you see what I'm talking about. So when I come to, let's see, I copy that, I come to Jiji and see if it's available on Jiji. If it's not available, well, but it is a potential of it's not so available. What is happening? Okay, so let me delete. Let me just leave this. Okay, wireless. Let me just leave it to this and see if something's going to pop up for me. Not available too. Alright, for the last time it's not available. Alright, no problem. So let's come back to where I'm coming from here. You can see that this product is a very high product. It has about 5,600. For example, if I get this product for 4,000 naira, I can sell it for around 7,000. I can sell it about around 8,000 naira. It all depends on how you can actually sell your product. So when I come to back down to review, as you can see, it is lovely. The airport is good. This and that. So people are saying different things, but it all depends on. But I've sold this for people and they are testifying and they love it, and the thing is very cheap. Everything here is cheap, and within some period of time you need to make your money, reasonable amount of money. So another product I recommend you to begin to sell is this tummy trimmer. Normally people are very fat and they want to reduce their stomach. Within some period, just put it on your status. You see people commenting that they want to buy, they want to do this, they want to do that. There are also many products you can just go through and experiment with it. You have nothing to lose. Experiment with it and begin to make good amount of money within a very short period of time. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the page that I wanted to show you, and I've showed you now. Then because what you have to do is, as I've said earlier, it's very time sensitive. Come to this page, get products, put it on your status, put it on your Instagram, put it on your Facebook account, put Facebook marketplaces, and I'll make everything available for you. The resource, the description box below. Just click on it and you watch the video where I explain everything. So all you have to do is begin to make money, begin to make cool cash without necessarily investing anything whatsoever. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't want this video to be so long. So if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please don't just watch this video and go. Kindly subscribe, press the subscribe button, the red button below. Just click on it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I create video on how you can make money online. So I won't just create a subscription and disappoint you, but I'll continually go outside there and get useful resources that can make you make more money online and can make your business be more productive. I'll go there and show you, so your solution won't be wasted. I can assure you that it won't be wasted. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and share with your friend. Once again, my name is Daniel Adeoboye, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.